We want to find the integer equal to, first of all, 2 cubed. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and times 2 again is 8. Now this one is the negative of 2 cubed. Essentially, that's negative 1 multiplied by 2 cubed. Now we know the index gets done first, and of course 2 cubed, as we found out over here in part A, is 8. So the answer here is negative 8. This one's different, however. It's negative 2, note how the negative 2 is inside the bracket here, times negative 2 times negative 2. Now we know that a negative times a negative is a positive, so when we do negative 2 times negative 2, we get positive 4, and we still have to multiply it by the remaining negative 2. A positive times a negative is a negative, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now, while we're on this example, I just want to point out the difference. That if we had negative 2 to the power 4, this one here, but with a power 4, then it would be negative 1 times 2 to the power 4. Now, if 2 cubed is 8, times by an extra 2 is 16, so this one would be negative 16. But if we did this one over here, negative 2 to the power 4, then we'd have negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, as discussed earlier, is positive 4. And that's the same case here. And so this one would be positive 16. So it's very important to note whether the negative is inside the bracket or outside the bracket.